You can apply any style to your images by using our style reference tool. Now, the way it works is we first want to create a prompt of the image we're going to create. As below, I have a cute turtle walking on a rock covered in droplets of water in the daylight. I then need to move to the left to apply the various settings I want to my image. And then I need to choose a preset. For the best results, I'd use Cinematic Kino or Lifelike Vision. We're going to stick with Lifelike Vision and close. And now we're going to add a style reference image. I come up to the image icon and click on that, and you'll see here style reference. I click on that. I can use an image from here or one of my previous generations, or I can upload an image. I grab this image here as my style reference, and you'll see it pops up in the prompt bar here. And I can add up to 4 style reference images. If I need to adjust the strength, I click this little arrow here. I can go low, mid, high, ultra, or max. I'm going to stick with high, and we can adjust this as we go to get what we're after. And now I'm happy with that setting. I'm going to click the generate button to create my image. And we can compare this below to an image with the same prompt to see that the color has been applied to our image. But you can also come back up and experiment with different levels to see what results you get. We'll pop this one up to max, hit generate again, and our style has been applied to a much greater degree. Some tips for using this tool is you can add up to 4 style references in the image guidance and tweak the image influence individually to create more complex styles. You can also include style descriptions in your prompt or even use describe with AI, although this will overwrite your existing prompt. To avoid unwanted elements, tweak the prompt and adjust the style transfer strength or use a similar reference image to get the image you're after. And now you know how to use style references, I recommend you go in and experiment with this tool to see what images you can create.